We have a positive cooperation with each of them, but most of all we have a cooperation with the entire region, with them as one region. And each of them has told me very clearly today that they appreciate the European Union being a partner for them as a region. This helps them cooperating among themselves, which is not always easy. They have bilateral issues to be tackled. And the European Union support is never aimed at dividing them and exploiting differences among them, but rather to encourage them to overcome differences and work together. So for sure, what we can bring to the table is, well, as usual, trade, economic investments, development cooperation, a lot of common projects we finance, but also encouragement on political reforms, political cooperation among them, and I think they appreciate the fact that the European Union has no hidden agenda. We're transparent, we're reliable. They might not like everything that comes from us, especially the focus on human rights, rule of law sometimes might be heavy for countries like this in transition somehow still, but they know what they get. And I think they appreciate the fact that we are transparent, open, reliable, and that we are cooperative. We are not asking them to choose between the European Union and partnership with others. We believe that countries of the region can be partners and good partners among themselves, with us and with other powers in the region, and that building cooperation at this regional level is a key asset also for us.